Forward. Go forward here. Good stand. Underhook. You gotta attack. We're not looking for that one on the back. Come on. There you go. Come on, up. Forward. Good shots here. Shot, pushing right into it. Give it up. Know where you're at. Look where you're at. Pressure back into him. Pressure back. Hey, get back. Hey. Tight. There it is. Tighten that up. There's your tilt. Tilt to right knee deep. Elbow, tilt the right side. Keep, hey, pressure. Tilt, tilt. Hey, coming up, you have a written in a cup. Big step, pop. There it is. Tight. Get off that ankle. Get off that ankle. No. You don't need to pull it back in. Come on, smart. You don't need to pull it back in. Good stance here. Good stance. Come on. Hey, don't push it and tie up. Good shot. Let's go. Hands down. There you go. Good fake here. Come on. Good fakes. Let's go. Take a shot next time. Hey, angled shots if you're stronger. We hit that corner. Take it, take it. Up with it here. There it is. Go, go, go. Door, come up with it. Don't go out. Cross your legs there. Keep it locked. That's it. Pull it in. Score. Don't move. Don't move. Hey, there you can get to it. Let's score this time. All angled shot. Now, come on. Score. Score. Look here. Back up here, back up here. Hey, no diving, no diving. Set up good ones, set up good ones. There you go. Set up good shots. Yeah. Hey, set up good shots here. Elbow pass.
Pass the left arm, go ahead inside. There it is.
Out front, chin. On the chin. Whizzer.
Now wrestling on mat 2, class AAA, wrestling for third place. In the 113-pound weight class, Brandon Bertram, John Marshall, Logan Ball, Parkersburg South.
Get up inside with him. Underneath, underhook. Come up there, now. Hang his head down what time they do it. Gotta go.
Come on with it.
Left hand.